to, and similarly if you print b value here, b is equal to. So this is absolutely after performing swapping, right? So I can add a couple of statements here. Okay, so print after swapping. Okay, so similarly I'll add these statements here, but this is going to be before swapping. The easiest way that we can do in Python is simply writing like this: a comma b is equal to b comma a. Okay, so using which the entire content of a and b will be swapped without using any temporary variable over here. So you can see here, before swapping a is equal to 100, b is equal to 150, and after swapping a is equal to 150 and b is equal to 100. Okay, so apart from this, you can also make use of operators like addition operator, subtraction operator, and the other way is using